every business, the marketing of your products is key for reaching your customers or clients. Arguably, for social businesses, it is even more important to effectively communicate the value of what you are doing for customers, clients, partners, and the society at large. To define a marketing strategy for your social business situated in a rural area, there are many different approaches and methodologies how best to reach your target audience. The traditional approach of marketing of your products and services, visualized in the middle column, focuses on your individual customers and clients. Have a look into the additional reading section of this module. Here you find the reference to the Sentinel Toolbox for Social Business Support in Disadvantaged Regions. It may provide you with insights on how to plan a first marketing strategy that focuses on your customers or clients. Another approach, however, is to take the perspective of the society at large. It focuses on boosting entire regional economic cycles instead of just a single innovative product or service, and may even turn a disadvantaged into an advantaged region. This can be achieved by employing marketing strategies harnessing the power of collective action. The following section briefly presents some of these strategies. Mind that the implementation may need the support of the whole regional ecosystem. In short, local currencies may work as complementary currency to the national currency, rather than replacing it. Having many local shops and producers that accept this currency helps to keep spending within a local community and to foster regional development. In many rural communities, more and more local shops are closing. This negatively affects the quality of life for the inhabitants. So-called one-stop shops may integrate various functions in one physical place, such as a supermarket, post office, bank, etc., and thus make a real difference for the disadvantaged region. In our additional reading section, you will find further inspiration in regard to that topic. Community-supported agriculture, in short CSA, directly connects farmers and consumers. There are different forms of CSA. The basic concept of all of them is that people buy shares of a farm's harvest in advance and then receive a portion of the crops as they are harvested. CSA is particularly great as it links local production and consumption. Driving through Europe, you may realize that some regions are particularly famous for specific products. Take Modena in Italy, for example, which is famous for its balsamic vinegar. While that is certainly linked to the quality of products, there is often a clever regional marketing strategy behind this, which aims at labeling many producers under one regional brand.